Starting with EasyCam 2026 Service Pack 1, all customers with active maintenance benefit from the seamless integration of CIMCO Edit Professional. This globally established NC editor with toolpath simulation is fully included. No separate license, no additional costs, immediately ready for use in daily workflow. Integration into the workflow happens automatically during installation. Generate your G-code in EasyCam, and CIMCO Edit opens with the generated program, optionally including information about your tools and stock dimensions for simulation. No file export, no manual data entry, no configuration required. Here is what makes this integration valuable. Toolpath simulation that accurately reflects what happens at the machine. You can build a complete digital twin of your setup, import STL models of fixtures, machine tables, and work-holding components. Define your machine geometry, whether it is a 3-axis mill, 4-axis horizontal, or a complete 5-axis system. Set precise work offsets using the Geometry Manager. The simulation environment contains everything that will be present during actual machining. Verification happens two ways. The backplot option provides instant visual feedback of tool motion, rapid positioning, plunging into material, and the following linear and arc feed movements. Fixtures and tables remain visible, so you can immediately recognize problematic approach and departure movements. For detailed analysis, solid simulation with GPU acceleration shows material removal in real time. You control playback, forward, reverse, pause at any operation, speed up through roughing, slow down through finishing, watch surface finish develop, see where material remains, examine corners, radii, and transition zones, all before actual machining starts. The system actively monitors potential problems. Stop conditions flag tool holder contact with fixtures, axis over travel, unexpected rapid moves near boundaries, or any motion that violates your defined limits. These warnings appear during verification before they reach the machine, so corrections are simple and risk-free. After simulation, you have access to additional data. Toolpath statistics show X, Y, and Z travel ranges, cutting time per tool, and total cycle time, including tool changes. Export this information directly for job quotes, capacity planning, or production scheduling. Beyond simulation, CIMCO Edit is an extremely powerful NC editor. Syntax highlighting colorizes G codes and M codes to match your controller type, making even long programs easy to read. With search and macro tools, you jump instantly to specific operations, find all tool changes, locate a particular M code, or review every Z retract. When you modify a program, file comparison shows line by line what changed between versions. When your program is ready, CIMCO handles machine communication. Configure the RS-232 serial interface to match your equipment. The included single-port DNC option enables send and receive to machines connected directly to the PC or integrated via virtual RS-232 ports. EasyCam 2026 with CIMCO Edit Professional means fewer surprises at the machine. Catch problems in the digital stage. Arrive at the machine confident your program will run correctly already on the first run.